Find the coefficient of mean deviation from mean for the following data. Here, age in years and number of persons are given information in this problem. Solution: x 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. In this problem, using assumed mean method, midpoint, we know how to calculate midpoint. 0 plus 10 by 2. So that 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. 35 is a assumed mean. Frequency 20, 25, 32, 40, 42, 35, 10, 8. So that n equal to 212. Now calculate D. M minus A. M is midpoint, A is assumed mean. 5 minus 30. 35. So that D is minus 30. 15 minus 35. D is minus 20. 25 minus 35. D is minus 10. 35 minus 35. D is 0. 45 minus 35. D is 10. 55 minus 35. D is 20. 65 minus 35. D is 30. 75 minus 35. D is 40. Now calculate FD. 20 into minus 30. So that we get minus 600. 25 into minus 20. FD is minus 500. 32 into minus 10. FD value is minus 320. 40 into 0. So that 0. 40 into 10, 420. 35 into 20, 700. 10 into 30, 300. 8 into 40, 320. Sigma FD equal to 320. Now calculate deviation. That means M minus X bar. Now calculate X bar. That means mean formula is A plus sigma FD by N. A is assumed mean 35 plus sigma FD 320 by N 212. So mean is 36.5. Now calculate D. M minus X bar. M is 5. Mean. This is actual mean. Actual mean is 36.5. Here it is actual mean. In this calculation using assumed mean, but in this calculation we have to do actual mean. Okay. 5 minus 36.5. We get 31.5. In this case, ignore positive and negative values. This method is followed in individual and discrete series also. 15 minus 36.5. We get 21.5. 25 minus 36.5. We get 11.5. 35 minus 36.5, 1.5. 45 minus 36.5, 8.5. 55 minus 36.5, 18.5. 65 minus 36.5, 28.5. 75 minus 36.5, 38.5. Now calculate F into D, capital D. F is 20, D is 31.5. So we get 630. 25 into 21.5, 537.5. 32 into 11.5, 368. 40 into 1.5, 60. 42 into 8.5, 357. 35 into 18.5, 647.5, 10 into 28.5, 285, 8 into 38.5, 308. Sigma FD equal to 3193. Mean deviation formula is sigma FD by N. 3193 by 212. So that 15.06 years. Class interval is given age in years. Coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation by mean. In this case, use actual mean. 15.06 by 36.5 equal to 0.41 years.